From a relatively young age, I knew I wanted to be a scientist and wanted to do work with my life that contributed in a meaningful way to improving human health. But as a research scientist in pharma, I found that what I enjoyed most was coming up with the initial ideas for new technology-driven projects and thinking of creative ways that technology could be applied to solve scientific problems. And I think because of this desire to work on the best, latest technology and not to reinvent the wheel, I found myself continually looking externally, particularly at biotech startups, for innovative technologies that could complement research programs at Amgen. Because of this natural curiosity and external innovation and desire to collaborate, I got to know the Amgen business development team really well. And when a role opened up there, it was just, I think, a natural fit from both sides. In terms of the skills gained during that time, I mean, I learned so many skills. It was really a priceless experience that I think has set myself up for a really fun and interesting career. One skill that I think I will always value and that comes to mind is an eye for technologies and early science that will not only be translationally relevant, but that ultimately will be attractive to pharma. You know, I had Seth and I both really had the real honor to spend countless hours in diligence calls with true experts in drug discovery and development across therapeutic areas at Amgen, and learning from these colleagues as to how they think, how they make decisions, how they think about drug discovery and development has been one of the most valuable things that I took away from this experience. And I think is a unique view that people like Seth and myself bring as VCs who come from pharma BD. Another skill that I really honed during my time in business development is the confidence to pick up a new area of science. You know, research scientists are very used to being deep experts in their area of work. But as a business development person working in search and evaluation, we're constantly asked to look at new areas of science, evaluate the landscape, form an informed opinion, and then often share that opinion with executives. And I think this is another skill that really serves people who have spent time in BD well in VC.